welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in with me today. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is India, and if you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. Join the family, y'all. Okay, so right now we're on a health lifestyle change. Okay, I'm trying to get my health together. I'm trying to eat right, I'm trying to exercise and do all the things. So if you are someone who's trying to get a balance on just being healthy overall and not just making it a fad, like actually incorporating it into your lifestyle, then definitely get into these videos, okay? You guys really loved my last juicing video and I was very happy about that. So I'm back, of course, with another video with a new recipe that I have never tried before. So today, I am going to be trying to make my own green juice, okay? So y'all are gonna get the first time I actually tasted real live reaction on camera, okay? So hopefully it tastes good. If it doesn't, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all that it's nasty, okay? We keep it real over here. But just because if it is nasty doesn't mean I'm not gonna drink it, because sometimes what doesn't taste so good is still good for us. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna make a smaller batch. So I'm gonna make a small batch of green juice today, and I wanted to show you guys. So let's get into the ingredients. Okay, so ingredient time. So before I go through the ingredients, y'all, if y'all can hear this rain that's happening, it is storming right now, but we are going to get through this video. You hear me? All right, let's talk about these ingredients. First thing I want to talk about is green apples. This is the first ingredient. I am going to be cutting these green apples up. Of course, I'm going to be removing the seed. I'm going to keep the skin on, and I'm going to be using 4 green apples. And for green apples, these green apples are rich in fiber. They have good vitamin A, vitamin C. They also are really good for your vision, and they're great for antioxidants. So those are just some of the health benefits to the apples. Next up, the cucumber. I'm going to be using 1 cucumber. I'm going to wash it, clean it. Same thing with the apples. Wash them, clean them, cut them. I'm going to cut this up probably into big chunks. Cucumbers are really, really good for hydration. They promote good gut health, and they also help to manage blood sugar levels and weight levels. And the reason why it helps with the weight level is because cucumbers are full of water. So if you want to have a snack, or if you want to grab something that's not going to hurt you, that's going to actually help you, eat a cucumber, okay? And in this case, we're gonna juice a cucumber. And those are just some of the benefits of the cucumber. Next up is spinach. I do have a small little box here of spinach. I got it from Kroger. It's the organic baby spinach. I will be washing this, getting it prepared so that we can juice this. I'm not gonna juice this whole thing. I'll probably juice half of this box here. And spinach is also good for your vision, also helps to regulate your blood sugar, and it also aids in good bone health. So those are some of the benefits to the spinach. And y'all know it's not a party unless I put some ginger in it. Of course, I'm going to be adding ginger. If you watch my first video, check it out. You'll know all about me and the ginger, okay? But 2 things that I learned about ginger that I didn't know, but they say that ginger is supposed to be very helpful with depression and anxiety. So I didn't know that, but if you are dealing with any type of depression or anxiety, maybe try ginger to see if that helps calm you down or soothe you. So something I learned, and I thought I would share that as well. Those are the ingredients. I gave you just a few of the benefits. Of course, make sure you do your research and you research your fruits and vegetables for the benefits for yourself as well. I just want to make sure when I'm providing these videos, I give you guys a little taste of the benefits as well. I'm going to get these fruits and vegetables washed, cleaned, and chopped, and then we're going to get ready to make our juice. Let's go. All right, y'all, here is a look at the fruits and vegetables all cleaned and cut and ready to go. So I have them all in this one bowl so I can have less dishes to clean later. Everything has been cut. You see I cut the seeds out the apple. You don't have to take the skin off the ginger. I just take some of it off. That's personal preference. You see I cut the cucumbers up in big chunks, and then I washed my spinach. Everything has been washed, clean, cut. Here we go. All right, y'all, so we have our green juice ready. I poured it in my glass measuring cup so I can pour it in these tiny glass shots. I'm stirring it up to make sure everything is incorporated. It does smell good, y'all. I can tell you that. It smells good. So we're going to, and you see, if you watched my last video, I made a really big batch. This time I made about a little over 2 cups. So made a smaller batch, but that's what we wanted because we're just trying it out to see how we like it, all right? So now that we have everything stirred up, I'm going to fill up these shot glasses. Here they are. Now y'all ready for the taste test? All right, y'all, moment of truth. I got my little shot glass. Yes, I have a shot glass, not a big glass like I did last time because I don't know what this is gonna taste like. We still gonna drink it, but you know, let's just try it slowly. I'm gonna pour me up a shot. Y'all, I'm nervous, okay? Here's our green juice, and cheers to better health. It's actually not bad. I can taste everything. That's actually really good, y'all. Okay, so the big takeaway from that is I can't really taste the spinach at all. I can taste the cucumber a little bit. I can definitely taste the little spiciness from the ginger, but mostly I taste the apple. So the apple is kind of fading away the taste of everything else. So it really more so tastes like a little apple ginger juice with a hint of cucumber. So I am super excited about that because I actually like it. Y'all, I was nervous because some of the green drinks, some of the green juices that I've tried before are not good, okay? You just never know when you're trying to green drink. But y'all, I can say that this actually tastes good. It tastes so good that I will go ahead and drink the rest of this. So y'all know that it's real, okay? Like, it's really, really, really tasty. Like I said, it tastes more like an apple ginger juice with a hint of cucumber. I don't taste the spinach at all. Perfect. I can definitely drink this. All right, y'all. So that's juice recipe number 2 under our belt. So we got a good carrot, ginger, apple recipe. Now we got our green juice on lock. We are on a roll. If you have any suggestions about the fruits and vegetables that you would like for me to incorporate into these recipes, or if you actually just have your own recipe you would think I would like, definitely leave it in the comments and let me know. And on that note, I will talk to you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like and also share. and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.